What's up, everybody? We're here at Six Flags Great Adventure at Jacksonville, New Jersey, and actually I haven't been here for 2 years. All right, so we just got into the park and we paid $73 for the bus, which took us from Port Authority in New York City, and that includes the bus fare coming here and going back and the ticket to the park. And by the way, thankfully we don't have to wear face masks anymore, so that's a great thing. Like it was last year, it was mandatory, but now it's great. They're doing it shorter this year, I think. Anyway, all right, turn this off. See you guys on the next one. Oh my god. We're on the way to the Joker, which is my most hated ride here. Tried it 2 years ago. Did not like it. It's like kind of like a headbanger. It whips your head back and forth. I don't like that. And I don't consider it a full roller coaster, but it's alright, I guess, for some people. You going on the Joker?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, so he's gonna do it. I don't think I'm gonna do it, no.
No, if you're gonna do it, I'll do it together.
I don't like it. I just don't like it.
Let's go together. I don't want to by myself.
I don't know.
Don't worry, the Joker's gonna help me out.
The Joker's gonna help me with what? We're getting a headache. And here we got the Harley Quinn Crazy Train. My nephew actually went on this one last time. I never went. You want to go on this? It's kind of like a kiddie coaster, bro. Let's go on the next one. This? I don't like this one. Alright, we're going on this Harley Quinn coaster. Alright, whatever. They're closed, perfect. Not a lot of people today. Like nobody on the ride right now. I think they're testing it out or something. But there's not a lot of people today. It's a Tuesday and it is scorching hot. It's like 95 degrees, humid. It was horrible. I wanted to go last week, but my friend got sick, so we couldn't do it. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty cool. You can see there's nobody on it right now. They're probably testing it out for a quick run. I don't see anyone on it, at least, no. Oh man, I'm a little nervous. I am a little nervous, I gotta admit.
I gotta leave my stuff somewhere. I can't leave my stuff.
Ask him. Do we gotta leave our stuff somewhere?
Well, right now the ride's down.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, but you can't have anything in your pockets, no bags, no wallets, no keys, nothing.
What, when is it gonna be up again?
We're not sure.
Alright, so I just found out that the ride is down for some reason. They don't know why, they don't tell us why, but you gotta leave your stuff in the locker again, which is kind of a pain in the ass. Alright, so we'll try to come back. Definitely don't want to miss this today, you know.
What's that?
That's Nitro. We're definitely going on that right now. Hopefully it's not down. See how it goes. Here goes Nitro. Is that Nitro or that? Wait, that's not Nitro. This is the Batman. I think this is Nitro over here. I believe that's the Batman and Nitro right there. This is actually, by the way, guys, this is the first roller coaster I ever went on in my life. I think I was about 12 years old.
Always say the wrong things, ruined every special moment that I've been in. Try to let myself free, enjoy the moment, but my mind can never let me have a moment. I like to think about the things I don't have, always living in the past. Why do I do that? Never fun with what I gotta stop that. Always want more when what I need's in front of my eye. Never feel like I'm good enough. I never feel like I do enough. I always put up my guard because every time I trust my God, I'm it's no surprise. Been this way for all my life. Never happy, always looking at the other guy. Never happy, just comparing, I'm dissatisfied. Bad anxiety, always on thin ice with my life. Trying hard to smile lately. Kinda hard when I feel like everybody hates me. Practice hours every day, but I don't feel amazing. Always want more when what I need's in front of my eyes. Never feel like I'm good enough. I'm good enough. I never feel like I do enough. Do enough. I always put up my guard because every time I trust my God, I'm always wrong.
To get some food. What? Right here. There's the Wonder Woman. We're gonna do that right after we have some lunch.
Just wanna feel like I used to feel. Happy again, happy again. Oh no, but I never feel like I'm good enough. Just wanna feel like I used to feel. Happy again, happy again. Oh no, but I never feel like I'm good enough. 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 Like I'm good enough.
We just got off the Wonder Woman, and I gotta say, this is ultimately the best ride here on the Six Flags Great Adventure. So we're doing it again. I mean, it was that good.
I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I go so low, go so low. I click come through to the slick come click come through to. I go so low, go so low. I click come through to the slick come click come through to.
They got stuck in the middle there. Oh man, that sucks. And I don't know what this Expedition Dino thing is. Never heard of it. It might be something new that they're going to be building. Not too sure. But there goes Bizarro. Haven't been on it for ages, but it's one of the best. I think it's a really good roller coaster. Pretty smooth. It used to be called Medusa, but they changed the color of the paint and the name of the ride. Looks like El Toro is not working today. It is down. First time I've seen this. Oh, look at that. You got a pack of geese right here. They're turning away. I think they're afraid of me.
Oh, we didn't go on that one.
We didn't go on that one, no. We didn't go on a bunch of rides, but we went on Wonder Woman 2 times. It was so damn good. And we did not go on this one either. Check this one out. It's like a slingshot type ride.
I would not go on it, no.
Not right? But it kind of, I think it will be similar to the Wonder Woman in a way.
Yeah.
Get like that weightless feeling. We're heading out right now because the last bus pickup is gonna be at 6, and it's 5:30, so we don't have much time. We want to do at least one more ride, like Superman or El Toro. Not El Toro. What am I saying? King of the Car. Yo, you don't want to go on the free fall right there?
You wanna go?
I don't know if we have time though.
5:30. If we can go in now, we can make it.
You think so?
Yeah.
But we gotta go all the way.
So there's a line?
Alright, so we're gonna try the one more ride. I doubt if we have any time for it, but we'll find out. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.